I'll tell you what, he's the best one I've took at the loft yet. He's the best one. What's his number? 1027. He's been there for me most weeks. Been about the second, third, fourth pigeon, but he's a cracking pigeon, this. 1027. He's bred by Stuart Gilchrist for Granton. He's handling beautiful. He's handling beautiful. Truly, truly, it's handling beautiful. Don't forget your number, son. 1027. Right. 1027. We'll put a tick next to him because he'll be a puller. Come on. Come here. Come here. See, I've got some of these pigeons are earmarked for the national coming up, which is at Reading for us. 190. A beautiful wee blue white flight. 190. There you go, there you go. Come on. You tell that, I want to do it. You're the one so well. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, who's this? 1012, another pigeon bred by Stuart. It's a cracker, it's handling well too. 1012, it's hard to see when they handle like that, so lovely. It's hard to pick a puller, but it's a cracker. 1012. I'm going to put a tick next to him. 1012. Checker coat. Ooh, let's see what else he's got. Let's see what else he's got. Come on then. Come on now, come on. Come on then. Is it you? 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 Because I've got a pigeon in here that I love. And I'm going to send her. This is her here. See her here. See this pigeon here. Mark my words. She's going to be one of my candidates for the national, but she'll be one of my first birds home. This wee hen here. Watch this, honestly. Her number's 754. Right? Blue checker hen. And she's an absolute cracker. She'll be one of my first do's in for the national. 754. How many is that? 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now see this pigeon here? He's the second candidate I've got for the national coming up. Him there. He was bred by Stuart Gilchrist for Granton again. His number's 1018, but he's the son of a second club, second combine winner, so he's bred for the distance. So he's going to be got to Reading for me. And he was in the cloak for me. He was my second pigeon home last week for Wetherby, and we're back there again in the morning. But he's a smashing pigeon. Honestly, he's a smashing pigeon. You see that wee small pupil, see? That's an indicator of a distance bird. So I believe. But there you go, look at his eye. He's got a beautiful eye. eh? Right. Come on. Yeah. This is another cracking wee bird. Oh, what's your number? 1032. Another one of Stuart's. 1032. It's a cracking pigeon, so it is. It's just a bit flighty. Oh dear, 1032. Sure it's a blue hen. Come on in, come on in. Come on. There we go. Oh, see this pigeon. Whoa, it's all cracking me hen. See that? They're sliding out my hand. 199. That's our number. My goodness. Honestly. 199. Blue hen, 199. Right. 199. That one's below the paper. Right. You. Here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's another brilliant pigeon. He was my third pigeon home. Third or fourth pigeon, no, he was my third pigeon home. 1022. Another one bred by Stuart Gilchrist. He's a cracking wee cock, he really is. But he's a possibility for me for the national.